Dear Minister Huang, Director General Lin, Deputy Director General Kuo, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I will start by making an apology for speaking in English. I'm sure that most of you will understand my English far better than the Mandarin or my Taiwanese. It's always a pleasure for me to be in Taiwan, but in many regards I consider this my second country, and it's a particular pleasure to be in Jiayi City, which for me holds many happy memories. As we've already seen on the video, I was here 5 years ago with the chairman of our railway and Lord Faulkner, who's the president of the UK Heritage Railway Association, to sign a sister railway agreement. Now, at that time, I have to confess that while I was delighted we were signing it, I thought how much real cooperation can there be between two railways on opposite sides of the road. But since then, we've been pleased to welcome to Wales a delegation from the Forestry Bureau and Dalshan Railway, and we've had lots of technical exchanges and advice between the two. So there is real substance to the cooperation. But today, I'm really delighted we're taking this to a new level as we see DL34 embark on its journey to Wales. Now, we started these negotiations, these discussions a long time ago, and it's already over 3 years since the Forestry Bureau agreed in principle to lend us DL34. Since then, we've been painstaking detailed negotiations which have had to take account of very different legal and cultural background. We've had the coronavirus pandemic, and then we had a global shortage of shipping. And I think there have been times in both Taiwan and Wales when we've wondered whether things will actually work. But all that, I'm pleased to say, is now behind us. We're looking forward very much to welcoming DL34 to Wales, where incidentally it's already got a sister locomotive from the Taiwan Sugar Corporation, so it won't be alone. But we're very conscious that it's not simply another railway locomotive. For Taiwan, this is very much a cultural ambassador. It's representing not just Taiwan, but an icon of Taiwan's own heritage. Because the Alishan Railway is a masterpiece of world railway engineering. And I'm sure that if it was not for geopolitics, it would be on UNESCO's list of World Heritage Sites. So we hope that by having two Wales, it will help make the Alishan Railway better known around the world. I would like to pay particular tribute today to Director General Lin of the Forestry Bureau, Director Huang of the Alishan Forest Railway, all of their staff, their colleagues in GIS at Fengshan University, for their spirit of enormous goodwill, cooperation, patience, efforts to understand, all of which have actually helped to make today's event possible. And finally, I'd like to invite all of you to come and visit us in Wales, right behind DL34, and see its sister locomotive 175 from Thai Sugar. Thank you all very much.